Don't judge me. Oh, I'm jealous. Sometimes I wanna walk in your shoes, do the type of things that I really never do. I take one look in the mirror. Baby girl, you can survive like this. Someone on, guys. Hey, bo, but the phone is on, man. I'm cool. Guys, it's keep on. How are you? How are you guys doing? Happy Kimangmo? Okay, it's not the one. Happy Halloween, guys. No. Hi. Sure. So man, give me put up and telling replying to some messages now. Anyway, hi Mandla, alright. Sharp. Oh. As in izongivala intimidation ka-1 ngiyasebenza kusasa but inkinga zami engilazo ziningi kakhulu azifuni ukuthi umuntu abe sober ngabo inkosi yami ngiqaqale eplastini sure Mandla awukho sharp ku-10 nkosi yami plastic ayisavuleki. Listen, I need to clean this room. Like, I think okunye songenzela ama-evil spirits la. Ngithi room lami lingcolile. Liyimesi, uyazi ngathi kuduka ibhomu la. Manje lapha ngiyawulahlela lapha, ngiyawubeka la. Angifuni. Yo. Oh, okay. No, if you don't understand it, well, sorry. But like, thank you for the compliment. Hey. I always give my chai class. Another thing. But la namhlala la khona ngizophuza ngeTuesday. Namhlanje ama highlights. Ikuphi manje? Yes. Abantu laba bangu47 ababukele windini libukeleni ke. Why lile nhlonzo ongena phakathi silibona libukele. Ngaze I understand a little concept, shame. It's not all right. How you doing, girl? Where's my food? I'm being sick at home, please. Yo, hi guys. Hi Nick. I think I need time to focus on myself. To focus on, doing right by me. Halloween is for little kids. Okay, thanks for that, Tabani. Imagine I follow you and I love to understand what you talk. Mix with a little English too. Yeah, the point. Because I'm back. It's nice. The point. I mean, my English finishes after 7. I can't speak English after 7 in the evening. What's the time? 10:09. Okay, so if I sleep, I'm going to 7. I figure I'm 7 in shame. Yeah, at least the weekend has not much pressure. Food. Oh my god. You have grown out of it. Haibo. Taban, thanks for your opinion. Who said I don't eat red meat in Kosiam? What abantu basezulwini? uNkulunkulu why usethi sebusukanga hayi ndoda i-Halloween pen. I-Halloween mele abantu sibe serious nje i-Halloween. Oh, thank you, brown sugar. How brown? As every time you're called to brown sugar man. Skip and go. Guys, in the problem. Ndenkinga and I ngifuna umuntu maybe ongangi-advise. Ongangaziyo futhi. Abangaziyo, I will not take your advice. I just want those things to understand something. There's this girl, in Mazi. It's not me, but there's this girl in Mazi, She always finds herself in very complicated relationship situations, and she doesn't understand why she does that to herself, How for this? She always finds herself in difficult relationship situations, right? It's not me. It's some girl. When I linda about him, right? My question is, why, as in why does that person, hypothetically, it's not me, but why does that person find herself in such complicated relationships? For instance, I'll give an example. At some point, she fell in love with a married man. At some point, she fell in love with a married man, right? Next thing, she keeps dating guys that don't want to commit to her and blah, 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 right? Now, she's dating someone with someone. So, why umuntu hayi yazi mandla ngifuna umuntu ozakho umuntu epheleleyo ongaboni khama yenzeni kanjani yabo? Why does she keep choosing those situations? Why does she keep attracting such people? Oh, thanks, love. Manje ngicela request uphendule umbuzo wami because I'm trying to understand lento ekhulumayo. Mina ngiyogeza in the next 45 minutes. What's up, man?
Hello.
Skibani.
Awula.
So, ubhala lapho ubusithini?
Ngasithi khamiza kutsopha uzube nice.
Ikhama yani phela, explain.
Awona yakwazi ukugabhadiwa ubwenzi.
Hayibo. So Zwana, if ungela opinion vele ngcono ungayikhulumi lutho mozi.
Hayi ngile opinion kodwa vele yabona mina I think khathesi ngusiteshi esinjengesakho so.
So wena ubona ngathi wenziwa ikhama. So yini wona into oyenza abantu mina kula khama vele engilandelayo but anyway sitshele ngiyakho ikhama.
Hey. Lami phela ngi-intoxicated vele khona apha.
Nanko intoxicated.
But wena ubunatha lawe.
Mina ngiqala ukunatha manje. I'm just taking one glass ngoba ngiyasipana kusasa.
Angithandi costume yakho though.
No, anyway, my question ngale ukuthi njani. Like personally ne I understand why ngizifaka ama situation anjalo all the time. Do you know ukuthi mina I do well Mandla in many other aspects of my life. Money, msebenzi, socially, ngitswempu, ngiright. Kwampa? Ngazi kusuka kuthini.
Abantu behlala uhamba ubagijimela antikhaya.
Mlalela?
Generally men singama-jack vele.
Mani.
Zimpongo, right? Wena ugijimela boba abazimpongo kakhulu.
But that's the thing.
Especially African men.
Impongo kakhulu ngenjani. Hayi vele ngicela singavele siqale ukuthi ama European men. Mina ngilando tenze ngikhuluma la ngesingisi all the time. I'm not doing that.
Mina ufuna ubana ambitious ngapho usidingo sharp yabo.
Na but yazi uthini mina I think maybe sizozama umlungu. Because I keep hearing abantu bethi ngizama abelungu and stuff. Na ukuthi inkosi yami isingisi bakithi isingisi.
Njalo isotelo selicimbi vele ngekuyilandeli.
Cabanga uvuke ebusuku ukhuluma isikhiwo, uvuke ekseni uye emsebenzini ukhuluma isikhiwo, uma ubuye endlini ukhuluma isingisi every day, every moment.
Ayisikuthi awukwanisi futhi.
No, it's not angikwanisi but angifuni. Khona ngumsebenzi vele on its own. Mandlunga.
Yes man, Chinese.
And these days ngidla yona why? Bando or Miss P.
Hi, Kanye. Kaya.
Hi, Miss P. What's up?
You sharp, wena?
You're right, yes.
You, I love your lenses.
Thank you.
Vele ngamagazi.
Hello, Nonubego. Auntie, is that how I pronounce your name?
Yes, unjani?
Miss Sharp Sweetheart.
Awusemuhle.
You guys ngiyabonga yazibeni Halloween today.
So when you live vampire?
Abone ibone kahle. Last year I was a clown, this year ngiyi vampire. Next year angazi kuzobonakala khona.
Hayi next year umuntu.
Ungathi already kumanje ngivele ungathi kumanje vele this year ngiumuntu womuntu ngizothi.
Hayi yazi wena ukuthi iproblem yakho uthi uyasilahlisa. Today ngumuntu womuntu kusasa you are single. Yazi uyasilahlisa man.
Uyakwazi ukuthi ekhathesi ngu-situation enye ngistressa inhliziyo yami yonke ne. Like ubhuti lo wangitshela before sihlangana. Wathi na khawuzofola in love with me. Ngathi unganya. Wangitshela mfana.
Angiteteros.
Ngaphikisa mina ngathi never. Buka manje today ni in love. And yet thanks Alpha. And buka manje sengi in love. And yena unomuntu wakhe.
Yo. Indaba zoyithini le?
And yena wangitshela ngutshele yena wangitshela sibili wathi khaya lapho ufuna ukudlalela khona ngutshele uzofola in love. Mina ngathi khona abantu wavela wantshela wathi kade ngukhala I've known him for a while anyway guy wakhona. Yena kade ngangikhalela and stuff.
Okay.
And futhi ngesikhathi akukhona ne azangifonele. Bengivele ngigowa. Yabo bengicasula ngomunye la. Yabo.
Okay.
So, vele normally vele since sikhuluma we'd never cross that line, right? Mina ngazi la ukuthi yini ezimkhiphela ngale kuyakhe relationship. Lami ngapho kimi ngathi zimbhedla kuyami relationship. Hayi. Athi kimi njani? No, vele wona kade ngakufuna blah 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 and everything. Lami ngavela ngamkhangana ngathi uyadleka yena. Kanje right. Yabo, ufana nje.
Yeah, right.
Ufana le barbecue chicken, right, uyadleka. Yabo.
Because
Mina sengithi kuye njalo. Okay, showcase, right? So njani? Wena ngiyenzela Thon khona apha ngilomfana wangakithi ongelamuntu yena owase Waterford car woza ngicomede lapha ku
Waterford abafana be Waterford you abaganyi
uyakwazi ukuthi bonke bayafana Dublin draw head
Bathi
loud
bakhe masalale.
bonke yabo anyway bensakutshela nango ke mina ke senjani athi kimi so vele already because ngale kuyami relationship vele sezibheda ngoba lami umuntu wami sengigila and everything yabo ngizitshele ngithi you know what let me just go feel good with someone else yabo no strings attached and everything
Yeah.
yabo then
All strings attached ebafazini.
Wena siyakwazi ukuthi zama strings attached how manje inkosi
umancane class wise but yena athi kimi ekhaya mina kimi uzofola in love ngathi kanjani wathi kwazi ukuthi ekhaya saying I've known you for a while ngiwazi so much ukuthi I know what you like what you don't like ntonto and I mean I am what you like azingahleka azanjelo khona ngathi ndiyazenzisa lo you are what I like uyini wena ngaya komfana
wakwenzani mfana
mfana wambonisa amahololo lama flames and sharp
wakushayisa ama monkey style
ubona yabona lokho kweclof ngiyakubona yebo ngiyabona but it's the behavior after clof
okay
it's the your guys he was talking to me the way I wanted to be talked to yabo it wasn't the clof it was the after effects of the clof yabo indlela you know like lona umuntu who completely umuntu kade ngizwa izinto kade ngizikhalela anti and I guess now uyabona pho ukuthi azugelo okhala izinto lezi mina nginjani I'm like this like ngoba ngu like that hange nje ngazizwa ukuthi sengikhethi lama feelings yabo wathi wabethi sithi kimi yena he is going to like wathi uthela umuntu wakhe they're going to see each other yini some weekend okay ke nakhona ngigule ngaphosa ngafa bengakwazi ukuthi kathi na ngiyafokofa kangaka ngigule ngacisha ngafa ngamfonela ngidakwe ngathi ngiyabuya manje ngiyafika manje nje yakho uphuma phandle yini khaya ngathi ngiyabuya manje umzala wami wathi khaya beke lo mzala khona umzala wathi yeka khaya is fine ngayeka manje sengikhethile angisakwazi thingithini ngiphuma kanjani ngoba khona lapha ngisebenzise yena ukuphuma komunye manje somele lami ngidinga omunye uthi ngiphuma angisakwazi thina ngithini
hayi uphuma usiyapi vele
what do you mean Miss P
no like uphuma usiyangathi kodwa just enjoy the moment
akhona bengicela ukuthi mina ngishare
awakushiya lokho siza kubona but ukutreat nice angithi that's what we want Khaya le smile olaso kaThesi. Like uyablusha. Like uyablusha.
No, but Miss P mana something. Don't you think ukuthi sibadala into lebiyenziwa ngabantwana abancane sibadala to be getting into relationships lo muntu wakhe.
Lakho sibadala ukuthi khona we have to avoid ama feelings ethu like our feelings matter too. Can you at least feel the moment? Enjoy the moment.
It's not like he's going to leave his person and stuff.
Yes, he's not going to leave his person. That much we know. Enjoy the moment.
Situation ukuthi Miss P ngudevil ofunakalayo lo.
Mina vele I'm a bad influence darling. I am a bad influence. Indoda yomuntu imnandi anyway.
Ngene lo owangakithi ngubani lo owangakini nguye lo requestayo. Hey manje uyabaleka ke lo owangakini. So cuma sifaka wena Grootman.
Akangena uGrootman.
Grootman ngena utshela ubusuthi kanti umuntu wakho uyaphuma phela. So kanapha as it is guy mina yo nkosami mina
so uku situationship.
Vele.
Sorry sithando sami ngiyakuzwela.
Usalele usalalele hayi maka request ulaleleni anyway
Ulalele naka request
request angena ayekele ukulalela khona phela ezi I'm too old for situationships. Do you know what?
We are all old.
Yeah, now manje Miss P into engicasla. Do you know okay fine. Do you know what like today ngize ngafuna my friend crying, ne? Because I was so overwhelmed by emotions. And the cry yami, it really wasn't for this guy. It was for ukuthi kanti mina when the hell am I going to find someone who wants me? Mina lo kuhlanya kwami and everything. Because if I'm looking at abanye abafazi la, I'm not judging.
Yes.
I'm not judging. But some of them bring nothing to the table.
Thank you. I think we're on the same boat.
Some women bringing nothing to the table. And I look at myself, I'm like, dude, I may not bring everything to the table, but should I bring something to the table?
Exactly.
But then still, I can't find someone who's willing to go above and beyond for me. Ngoba futhi lo ebengiphuma kuye ngayena lo sengisuka ngicina ngakhetha kuye. Jay, lona ube perfect because ube single, single, besi right, besi vele singu-2.
Right, yeah.
Angazi ngangena ngumoya ubani.
Kwangena leli demon leli lingafuna sithole our baby.
But you ukuthi Miss P mina I think sometimes as much as ukuthi lami ngaze bele nkinga zami I think like sometimes ngihlala abafana bale mimoya yabo because naye I think ukuthi abakibo kabafuna belomfazi ngoba out of nowhere just bo umuntu nje se check out of a relationship.
Yeah, I think siyafana. And lapho akakutshela ukuthi yena akasekho lapho.
Akakhuluma
Okay.
ma
Akakhuluma yabona ama actions nje then the next thing usubona nge status.
Next thing umuntu akhona phela uyama lokukhuluma lawo sethule.
Yeah. For like 24-48 hours.
Uyabona ukuthi mina futhi into engicaselayo ukuthi nanti yabona lo wami lo engilayo uyacheater but he still ngisendlini yami manje. Sengisendlini yami manje semphumule komfana. Yazi ukuthini? Mangifaka ukona nge-background nyabe ntshitshi background. So bengisithi mina uyabona ukuthi lo engilayo uyacheater but udela wakhe ka feel neglected guy. Still maintains communication. He's not cancelling plans. Ulokhe enguye. Mina wami wehlula yini ukuthi angichithele aqhubeke enguye kimi.
Hawuzwana lo uthi kudala ngakufela. Wangifela Fruitman khona ngubona mina manje
request le Fruitman awuqansanga sizositshela ukuthi wena ufela
umuntu. Fruitman ima kancane.
Imala. Hi bo PhD, hi chief.
Hi Sugar Mama.
How Sugar Mama futhi?
Bani Sugar Mama futhi?
Manje umkhulu kulathi.
Hayi xa kunjalo uthi sis.
Haya kanti lo menezi.
Gogo.
Okusalayo even still even ngazothanda dala nge-20 years. Akathi mama kumbe akathi sis. Ukuthi Sugar Mama ungena phi nqome wena?
But Khaya honestly
Mina nginengayi internet 30.
Ngayi mama.
Internet 30.
Internet 30.
So what he's saying and your age awuhambelani.
I think yena ule 19. I think maybe ule 19. Yes ukukhuluma khona. Ukhuluma kwengane. Yeah, ukhuluma kwengane.
Mama. Ngane nje ngiyakukholisa lawe mama.
Okay bye bye andi mina angithethela abantu abangazaziyo ukuthi bafunani. Nxa kuzokhuma kahle la it's going to be fine but mayenza so sorry baba.
Thank you.
Zamabanye no asiniki bantwana ama chance. Mina fana mina endine mina ngiyimgane ofayo ndimgane efaka ayiveli ingane. Yes.
Thank you.
Hi guys.
Hi Mante. Anga request phela Fruitman uPhD. Anga request phela.
Hayi Fruitman nakabusukume engene la. Wayeka ndibalekela khacha.
Fruitman buya lo PhD wakhe ngena lapha li2.
Ama live kakhaya khona pha bese siyageza.
Namhluphuzile.
Uba
Gaya. Angikwazi ukuthi besithi sitshone lo bani emini.
Live.
No guys,
Hayi alright.
Guys, emini bengigoa guys. Emini bengigoa vele bengiyemvula live.
Why?
Mante ngoyiswa ngumuntu wami bakithi.
Why? But everything was okay.
Everything is okay, but angisafuni ukumshare mina.
Kaya, you catching feelings?
Caught them kudala.
But I thought you were okay knowing ukuthi ngumuntu womuntu and
No, I'm okay with knowing ukuthi ngumuntu omuntu, but Justin, they spent an unhealthy amount of time together. Yo, okay.
Ooh, that was unhealthy.
ngaphi
An
efonini
unhealthy amount of time
efonini
together. No, man.
Salibonani.
efonini.
In real life. Hi,
Oh.
man. Ushap.
Hi, fruit man.
Le right.
Usi right, good man. Uni right na.
Sharp mna. Esikhathi okuncane.
Hmm?
Ngithi lokho esikhathi esincane ngilayi.
All right. Khuluma phela into endaba yakho ku Miss P. Then ubusutshela uPhD aqanse la.
I think uPhD engabe semsebenzini but yeah, I think better ngathola ithuba la kuthinta.
uPhD ngiyo lo ohlala uhlala ngapi?
Waterford.
Ay. Nabafana. Manje mina umuntu ose Waterford mina ngise Dublin yamenzana.
Uyakwazi udrive ebuye eDublin.
Kanti
A
wena
good driver from Waterford.
Yes.
How many hours drive is that?
Angazi ukuthi awubeni hours but ujayele ukukwenza nje.
Hayi kungasenani sizothini sozwa ngayo. Thank you for ungihook up Grootman. Nguwe wedwa. Labangani mama bangihook up abazami lokuzama. Nguwe wedwa.
Babe lokho bewuqinise.
ayabona ukuthi try women.
Ukukhapha khaya. Ukukhapha siyabe sifisa sibili ukukhapha but hey nxa sebebuya kithi sebekhala usuba
Babekhalelani yimi engizobuya ngikhala.
ayakudla.
Mina
Hello.
Unga.
Ngise UK.
manje wangathi uqala wacabanga.
Hayi ngiyazibuza ukuthi uMandla why ngiphose ngakhuluma isithi sengasembona ukuthi alright wathi ngingabi too specific ngibese ngisithi UK kuphela.
Fantastic.
No, it's got nothing to do with that. Indaba Mandla ule story yini?
Akula. Wena Miss P
go through nje wesisi wami la.
Hawu yesengenzeni mina?
ungaphi?
Mina seZimbabwe.
Oh, alright. Yo.
Sawubona Artasha.
Hello, linjani?
Siyaphila njani?
Ngiyaphila.
And the Halloween theme, did you go out?
I went out for a bit, but ngafika lapha my friends were already drunk, so ngavela ngabe endlini.
You're not yourself today. Yazi ngiyakubona nje vibe yakho i-offish.
Because ngiyalitshela guys ukuthi emotionally I'm not okay. Istate ngiso emotionally asikho right.
You know what? I know how you feel. You know, I've been there before. You know, ngene and uzitshela ukuthi you are okay knowing ukuthi umuntu lo muntu wakhe, but it's never okay. Yes, as much as we tell ourselves, no, I'm not going to catch feelings. There's something about these married men. Oh my God, they know how to treat a woman. Bagiti.
I was about to say, no, he's really not married. He comfort Tiamant, but he's been with this woman for a long time. It's the fact when a man a corner to keep a woman for a long time, there's something right, and he's gonna know what to do with the next woman. We are but single if was go to get paid to avail.
But anyway, kuthiwa umuntu uthathe emuntwini.
Amen.
Ngitshela manje akasakamshiya umuntu wakhe vele.
How do you know?
Uyamshiya.
The fact that he gave you a chance.
Sakhona ukuba loyal yikho khonokho.
Hayi Mandla suka ukuba loyal ngani ngaphe echeater.
Hayi ngiyawutshela.
Kodwa makashiswe, ngiyavumelana lawo Shemzi.
Hayi ngiyawutshela.
Omandla kabatshiswe, onceku kabatshiswe.
Because what do you
Hayi,
mean ukuthi
mina-
umuntu lo loyal yena lo muntu
Mina
wakhe?
officially
Exactly.
Yes, isithembo ngisifuna njani so
uRootman uyehlulekile ukukhuluma indaba yakhe kupanel lapha seqina ngokuthayipha phansi.
Hayi.
akumekele type uFootman unenhloni.
Khaya,
Wakhaya
if
if engamthandi
uyamthanda,
why engamshadi? Mancu, I don't know. Maybe it's in the pipeline. Maybe bayaplana ke angazi phela.
Unceku nawe ngiyakubuza la umuntu uthatha emuntwini kade uzamthatha ngaphi sure.
Khona umuntu
Ngisho
akathatha
uyamthatha ngaphi
emazaneni
endlini?
tu.
Ndoda akashiswe. Yahlanye.
Vela amadoda mawashiso bonke guys. Bonke.
Bonke kusala amapipi wodwa.
Mina ngavolunteer
Kunjani?
ukuthi bambashiswe labo ngoba ngeke.
Hayi mina lingitshele nxa lapha bayatshiswa khona ngiqale ngihambe kweyami ngiyebhoncula ilokhuzeni ngisale layo.
Phela
Ngiyayifaka
umile
ngiyifaka efridge.
Ngilawe manje ngilawe shem.
You guys, but uyakwazi ukuthi mina vele I have a feeling yokuthi la bantu bayaplana ukutshana because ngeke guys, because no man.
No, it's not like we're plan. Siyaplan.
Uzwana unceku ukuthi we are a treasure my foot.
Treasure kabani?
Ngiyavela ama opinion ami namhla angani kukhaya irrelevant.
Aman.
But opinion yami ngathi irrelevant namhla nxa uthi akubusa ama feelings siswami.
Ay mina vele guys kuyangistressa nje ukuthi khonoko vele it just stresses me out. Like mina what's wrong with me? Alright fine guys, akunamuntu okwaziyo umuthi wokuthi ke mphume bafanele. Let's do that.
Nothing's wrong with it.
Ezongigabhisa vele.
Mina
Ezikhaya. Oh sorry, ayikhuluma ncane.
ikuthi ukhaya lapha ungathi ulegazi lemfana but uyazinwele zakho zinhle ekhaya. I don't know ukuthi uyenzeni looking good. Into zalo wena ngezwisi lapha bekuloku uqoqoda abantwana ukuthi badinga iziwithi. Bakithi alinje la.
Uyabanika phela ama sweet.
Mangiphume phumula linje la kuloku uqoqoda kwabantwana la uthi asidinga ama candy. Yo.
Trick or treat.
Wena wangazange ube namakheni phela ngevele ngehalweni ukufika phela.
Ngakwazi ukuthi kudinga ama candy and sengeze ngayangeka ngagijima sengilawo abasaqoqodi besokulate.
Sokulate. Athi kule
Sokulate abasahambi.
Besathi litha amadoda njani? We are good people.
Amadoda zishiti
We are
man.
good. No, we are
man.
good people. Amadoda sishap.
Alikho sharp.
Wena uthi ukuthi lesibindi sokuthi uqanse lapho kuzokhulumela amadoda.
Imagine
Yes.
isizwe kosilethamo.
Yes.
Yesiletha chef.
Mante
Ngilalele.
ungilalele ngisiya le ndaba le ukhaya ngeke
Ngithembi. It's cute.
manje lenkosi amadoda singabantu abashap.
Hayi vele.
Izingilosi kwaqala mhlambi kwabuya lina.
Hayi elaborate phela on that. You cannot just say amadoda singabantu abasharp.
Ngabantu abashap.
Sharp ngani?
Ngiyabuya kuwe mante lokhaya. I haven't joined ama live kakhaya in a long time but ngiyambona esenza ama video and I know abantu abalabo ku panel like ngihlonipha kakhulu ngiyazeshisa.
Hayi
Allow me to learn. Amadoda singabantu abasharp sizingilosi uyazi vele kungekho thina kalithili. Bese ngibuya kini futhi Mandelo and other people are ladies that are here. You also are good people. Into eyabe isishotele is ukuphonga uhlanga lo muntu who you align with. Alignment. Ayisikuthi sonke sinje siyizinja. Lani sithi amankazana kumbe omama hayi lo vele banje we can't bracket you all. In line you can't bracket us all. Sometimes yahlanga lo munye umuntu nje umbona alo nangamfuna imillionaire but aloko umfana kula mali lo. Kule jese green one but ukuphathe kahle. Kumbe kule kulama million kule plan. So we cannot bracket ama
Manje soginya ifone.
Chef.
Manje ngicela usuginya ifone na asakuzwa phela.
sorry selling oh amafoni lawo bakithi ama iPhone 17 Pro uthanda sorry
Yes.
benzama ukuthi ama 17 Pro asikawathengi not ukuthi ngila. So we cannot bracket everyone. And in every conversation, yes, amajita lathi siyabhayiza ngale. Lathi sibuye sibe conversation sithi hayi lano sisi lani ngale hayi nangomunye iJemasoni le nwele ezi-red lamagazi awa-Halloween but we cannot bracket it all. Sometimes lo muntu wakho likhulume libonisana.
Zimyuthe phela u-ansi phone yomuntu wakho manje.
Hey, yes, I'm a Nokia. Yes, I'm a 17 Pro. Nokia. So it's like if we're having this conversation, large amajita we have our own errors, lani osis maybe here and there, but you can't bracket everyone. So
Men have more errors than women.
Kunje sizalala, ngiyalala, ngivuke la umante uyavuka uThembi, lawe Miss P, lawe my friend Kaya. But it's not like you're all bad ultimately. Maybe abuhlanganela bona labo, maybe sibili abuhlanganela baba yi-20 sibili bathi hayi bakubone say but we all of us are just trying this life. Akula muntu wakho.
Yes, I agree with you.
So all of us we have our shortcomings, but I don't think it's fair to bracket everyone lithi amadodana even as lathi singeke sithi abafazi bonke banje.
The reason why you guys cannot say is you can find a good handful of women who are great, and as abafazi you can literally throw a stone and you will hit indoda rubbish. That's why it's non keeping.
And you know, one thing that you guys do not realize and is ukuthi your relationship iyabisezandleni zenu. You guys are the drivers, and Tina, all that we want is ukuthandwa nje kuphela. There is nothing else that we want. Yakwazi ukuthi ungaba lo mfazi ukube ku relationship umthande nje kuphela mandla mani umthande nje kuphela akula enye into angayifuna, you know. For that time ulaye mfake phambili and make her a priority. There is nothing else that we want. Khononke vele ngihle ngingene nje, just knowing ukuthi this guy thinks ukuthi you know, just knowing ukuthi this guy thinks I am his world.
It's more than everything.
Exactly.
You know ukuthi when you have a man that chooses you and loves you angathi ngomuntu umfazi la emhlabeni, it's more than money can buy.
That's all we want.
That's all that we want.
Manje problem ukuthi indoda ungayitshengisa ukuthi uyayithanda usuluzile.
But uyakwazi ukuthi thina abafazi
uyayingisa nje ukuthi
thina abafazi we find it very difficult. Yes, we find it very difficult to hide that. Ukufihla njani? You know, umuntu uma umthanda uyamthanda.
Sacha.
Ay. Abachiswe laba hayi sadonula amapipi kuphela sihlale lawo bona behambe
nale pipi abangisayifuni futhi I think ipipi esube iproblem
usayifuni njani khaya wena izolo ubhizi ulungiselela
phela ngicasulayo ukuthi nguye le pipi yakhe khona
uhambe njani sorry ngene late
no akhona Dion, it was perfect.
Okay, catch my feelings Dion, okay catch my feelings and now ngasafuna ukushare.
Okay, story sakho besisonke ngani silungiselele.
At the same time go through guys, just give a space.
Izolo khona phana was it yesterday silungiselele? Izolo phana ukhaya bafike bamnika kuhle bathi mi tata bamba.
What if you wasani guys?
Sageza la exactly mina ibhirizela kugeza lana.
Imagine guy. Manje uthini uguy?
Uguy
lo muntu wakhe.
Uguy uthe uyangithanda. Uguy uthakaza bona umuntu oyisimanga njengami. Uguy umbiza wonke amagama emfuna ukwazi unqumba lapha emfuna ukunza khona but mina ngisafuna ukushare yi problem.
Hayi manje phela ngeke phela senze into ezinjalo. Mina ngathi bengichaya ama breathe in and out ngesikhathi ugeza.
But Dion uyakwazi ukuthi do you know kade mbalo kade ngekho ngizophindisa imethe esikhume earlier esokuthi into engicasulayo ukuthi yena lo muntu wakhe they spend an unhealthy amount of time together. Ugedla kame kancane ambone once in 2 weeks bo hayi
wona
Kaya, you are not a quitter.
Wona after how long
you are not a quitter. Xokozela khonapho girl.
I can't go lapho time.
Listen, sometimes desperate nyana.
Guy, I think angazi mina ugirl umbiyasebenza ngomasebenza. I didn't ask and but ugirl has got so much time ukuthi ahambe ehlala iviki komfana. Njani?
Yazi njani wena ubele 2 days soze.
2 days kuphela nule viki. Kodwa after viki anti
ugogo enza kunika yena khaya. Ugogo lo vele uyakunika amatsayithu.
Ukhaya sikhuluma live vele ukhaya uvele pijama.
Uyakunika amatsayithu ugogo lwana khaya.
Ayivuleke ngaphansi ukhaya ugqoke pijama.
Ngani wami ngikulogogo emfunika yena.
Akudingi gogo lokho guys. Akudingi gogo. Ukhaya vele ugqoke pijama.
Well, to go back to e-conversation ukuthi sonke nje sile. That's why we come on this maybe these conversations. But eventually, just know your worth. Mina ukhaya ngimbelieve ngoba ngumuntu ongani uyenza content lingamkhangela ama-followers akhe. Asebebani khonapho ngathi ukhaya vele uyasiroba khona kulochomonye. But eventually
you opposite line.
Akona mhla sirobi ngiyambona vele.
Hayi izolo besidlaye besemfaneni izolo besilaye
besisonke besemfaneni ugela.
Bese sidla ama sausage kamfana izolo lapha ku live.
Hayi babo.
Yikucazimula.
Uyaglow.
Isaka lavuka.
Le glass yakwazi ukuthenga iproblem kuyini. Ngakubona enye into yokulala ama relationship ani? Iglass lona lelo lithwele.
Lapha uthi mothi kuyini khaya uNathana
ukhaya 2020 glass guys
mani nitshela guys ngicanga ukuthi something into vele ngenze ngaphosa abhubha today yikuyini ngithe ngithi baby
Sikholwe njani manje?
Ngikhala manini. Ngithe ngithi kuyi baby. So, njengoba sidlula iHalloween senzani ngeChristmas?
Bana. Unjalo uthi usulukha forward.
Angithi guys, ngihambe ngangena dance. Ngabona bethengisa ama matching pajamas.
Bana. Oh, khaya.
Wathi niyabe nomfazi wakhe.
Oh, it's okay. Angisakujudge ngeglass zinathele guy iglass it's not that deep.
How can you do vele kusijudge?
Ngiyazithololo guys.
Kazi mina phela ngithole linye la. Hayi sicela ngasijudge guys.
Lami ngithwele lami guys.
Yazi si happy njani etshwaleni?
Ngithi lami ngithwele lami. Sisonke mntase ungakhali kakhulu.
Okay, bengithi maybe uyasijaja.
Hayi no it's fine. Nonke umuntu uthwele.
Vele ku live kakhaya singeni sisoba thina. Because siyabe sizikrasha out.
But iglass guys liyaqeda ema relationship. Asikhulumeni iqiniso.
Udion siyakwehlisa phela. Siyakwehlisa Dion ubona ukuthi wona.
Hayi, angitsho ukuthi ngiyaqeda. Alright, personally mina lami iglass lingiqedela ama relationships.
Hayi mina guys iglass for me lingenza nihlale longa ku relationship.
Yeah, me too.
Ngoba mangisobha ngiyamshiya mina.
Mina lami.
Mina manje nxa ngisobha ingqondo zabe zisiyangile.
Yazi kodwa uguy lo he's not that cute. Uright nje. Sengicabanga kahle sengisobha. Hayi mina vele abafana abaningi ngabe ngabayala kudala.
Mina lami ngutshela
sobha phela.
Emini ne iphone call engiyenza umngane wami ifirst word engikhululeke ukuthi mngane wami sengisharp ngoboyism. Wathi senze ngathi sengisharp ngayo mngane wami samfuni. Umngane wami wathi why ngathi mngane wami mina ngicela ukubuza yini into wrong ngami. Kathi mina ngihlula yini ukuthola wami umuntu ongifuna mina nginjalo mina. Okudlala live lapha uyabelokhe bambi vele. Yini kanti?
Iglass. Ukuthi abantu asifuni ukukuzwa but uyabona iglass anti
usiyeke
ayisiku lami ngithwele lami khona lapha but liyangihlupha uyakwazi ukuthi unganatha even lokuthi ucontrol ukuthi uzama ukucabanga ukuthi okay wathi ngingakhuluma kwa matching outfits because wona ama matching outfits usiyabika ngathi so amadoda abakuthanda khona okay unganatha express ama feelings akho men don't like abantu abathanda
ngikhulume ngisoba Dion ngoba I drove 3 hours from his house.
I'm never
matching outfit. Khaya,
Mina
keep
yikho
on
kungibhoka
disappointing me.
ngama-relationship lapha
Why
e-UK
you
la.
want to
Ngiyakuthandela
make
ngedwa
Sibona imagine
guys?
guys. Sizagqoka lawo it's fine. Siyagqoka sibuye singene ku-live nge-Christmas.
matching outfit sasenigeria inda.
I mean, I promise.
Piano, guitar. Yeah. So we have one piano, another one. Then we're gonna
Indoda ekwandenga ukugqoka khonokho.
Abanye bayagqoka ngani
Hayi
Mr.
nabelungu bakho man umute kancane.
yeah, we're gonna do it.
So
Mina
khona
yikho kungibhoka
uzothola one.
ngama-relationships awe-UK wona lawo ukuthi uyabona umuntu wakho you have to travel hours and hours.
And hours ukuthi ngiyombona.
They say you can travel hours and hours.
Khaya use UK?
You say like an hour away. Or 30 minutes away. Yes.
Sinanhle
Ngatravela hours.
Khaya useduzane lami you know.
Serious, let's planning something.
Guys, we need
Kanti
to plan something
kungaba
honestly.
mnandi sho.
Mina guys manini ngisaliqala
Crash out.
Hayi yazi ukuthi ngeday sihlangana guys mina sibele weekend yokho ngoba mina ngizodakwa ngikhali inyembe zami zonke. Futhi ngifuna
Yami ngifuna ukukhala guys. Isingane ozathuliswa umuntu.
Lithini ngathi thina singekho phesheya.
Sizawusho kuyiphela ku get together.
Sizahlangana
Kathi ngubani lo sefuna simchasele into engekho. Awuyi ku get together simple ngongekho phesheya.
Okay, Khaya, so uzokhala half the time ubuye eZimbabwe uzakhala another half.
No, Miss P wona sakho anisebenze lawe ku live. Ngiyabe in real life but ayenzi live phela futhi.
Awufofoma Khiwa liyamuza ukuthi uthini madoda i-outfit leyana ukhaya ithethe ipicture athiwa manje sezathengela umfazi wakhe yo singamshaya.
Ngoba nathela umfazi wakhe.
Ndisingamlana.
Kumbe singamenzela into
Yabe
angayazi.
sombonisa ukuthi
Ngiyapika, ngiyamgwaza
azalelwe enkanini.
angeke. Phela mina ngindebele.
Hey,
Ushaye okhapi.
Thwani kanti.
Amapijama ami sethengela umuntu wakhe.
Asikwazi siyahlinza.
Kodwa uNkulunkulu kathi mina kodwa ngenzani engako. Alright. I want to say
Uyakwazi ukuthi manje utshela ukuthi wenzani
Ngifuna
khaya.
ukukhuluma
Uyabona
something.
laphana ngesikhathi ukhuluma ukuthi ozibani. Inhlanhla ayikho
Izolo.
yazi.
Hayi.
No.
hayi.
Enxa yani, enxa yokuthi sikhulume ngo-Eddie Chivero.
So
Echibero ngoba inhlanhla zabantu. Mina ngikhuma from experience ngiyake ngihlale phansi ngicabange. Ngithi ukuthi uzibani lapha ngize nginyathela ukuthi abantu babeqinisile ukuthi inhlanhla iyahamba.
Akunanto enjalo mngani wami ayikho into enjalo ungabelieve into engavumi believe into ezinjalo.
Yazi uyahlala phansi ukhangele so abantu guys but mina be pretty woman. Kushodani kanti ibhodi ingawani ndo mira nayichi.
Mina ngithanda ukugeza
Dion
one.
lami ngiyi pretty woman Dion. Futhi ngiyi intelligent Dion.
Baby ngiyakubona.
Futhi mina Dion mina angicela imali yomfana Dion.
Amna ngisuka ngicele manje.
Amajodo.
Abangifuni nginjalo.
Namebi babalekela imali.
Kuthiwa
Khawa
ngicela imali
uyanika lokunika.
uthatha ngaphi?
Iyellow bone elinje.
Futhi
Le madoda angikhona siyawaphekela but yazi angikwazi ukuthi bafunani. And khonapho kubuhlungu ukuthi umfazi wakho uyabe mubi.
guys mina uyazi khompa ukuthi
Umfazi ababi bave kuze into engayaziyo.
mala wona
Ngicabanga ukuthi asikwanisi into ezincane kakhulu zona ezokile. Small things.
thina sizwana manje thina siyaveka uzasikhathi bani njengoba liyathi lingena hle kuchama ngoba sichisa istove siku 9 isikhathi sokuveka uzasi
Yazi.
Khuluma.
Thank you, Khaya.
ikho isikhathi sakhona ababi vele kumele beveke uze ngoba kuningi phela kumele ucompensate mina kudla uvela uyangena
Kuyathi thina abanye natural Congo dust ukuthi hayi. Noma uzoveka
Natural
uzenjani.
Congo dust yani lapho umuntu yathe phezulu athi kuziyo dede engazwakala ukuthi wenzani. Hayi leyo iyangicaphula leyo. Semphongo uphendula nje kuphela ukuthi you are babe you are kodwa ungela lutho vele ngiluzwayo.
Who's your daddy gatsheni
6 months later who's your daddy Ncube? 10 years later who's your daddy? Yabongasafuna nxa.
Uzovini.
Suka phezulu kwami wena.
Majuda abangela mbiza.
yazi sisiya ku for dede esibelabo lapha emhlabeni
Hey, esitsho iphuzi iJemerson masibindi.
Guys, I think imbodlela sitake over ngicela
khona
ngibulala.
kwasiyarare ngezibuzo
Hawu mama.
Hayi serious kulini niqalile.
Uya ngaphi Mandla?
ngiseyarare ngizibuza ukuthi utshela obunye ngizabuthola nga
Kathi phela engibamba kula off license. Hamba komama
Hayi
uyangichaza.
namhla phela isikhathi bani kathi singama
12 ngoma 12.
12 ekhaya.
okay. 12 kuvuliwe Harare ziyandindima namhla isande.
Hayi wena yi Friday, ni Friday na.
Ngizama ukuthi
Dion.
hey
Deli weekend ingakaqalisi. Yazibuyile lo.
Kodwa mina ngicasela ukuthi kusasa ngiyasebenza
Guys,
so
na
sivula live
depression.
ne. Then but ngizovula live Sunday ebusuku. Ngizahle ngifake live reminder vusa live Sunday ebusuku ngizabe nginatha vele. Ngoba I think ngiyabe sengikhuluma guys bengifuna ukukhuluma something manje sibaningi kakhulu la. Angazi ukuthi ngikhuluma ngamasign anti odoblo
hayi khuluma khaya vele wena uvele
Izolo ubukhuluma lapha we were name dropping kulabantu abangu-90.
guys phela ngithi labana abantu labana kade
nangaze ngariska lokutrend.
mina la angithi sibane ngoba
private
silanda
jet.
balabo Stanley laba ngaba yini mina ngifuna ukukhuluma ngomuntu kaBaby but uBaby wami uzo
Kodwa ngithi ama-sign.
no guys ngi side chick vele obvious ngizokhuluma kabi ngogulezi so even true but yabona ukuthi nanti hayi man
So akoyibona ipicture yakhe yini?
ipicture yakhe angaze ngayibona angifisi lokuyibona cause ngiyasaba ukuthi umuhle uyibhoza lamabhoza ngiyasaba
kathi vele amadoda abathanda ukubhoza yini.
awena lo uthanda abafazi abahle.
No, but guys, have you noticed khona if guys uthatha like the ugliest girl ever.
Hayi zothi nindlitshele nini izolo lapha ngize
natshela
ngikhasha.
kuthiwa umfazi
Ngihambe ngakhasha out ngathethisa kwasani khona ngalo. Kuyizola ngidakwe ngakala ngitexta ngatext auntie ngathi yi married a village girl.
Dion.
Dion.
Ngathi a village girl. I think it's loneliness guys. Kodwa she's not a village girl. She's loving and caring, Dion.
Okusala i-village girl
But I don't
loving
care
and
even if he
caring,
married
yani
a stripper. I wouldn't give a fuck. Guys, fuck up, guys.
Dion.
Anyways,
I know, right? Anyway, I think it's weird. Ngaqala ukukhuluma mo.
Anyway, mina ugulezi bakithi.
Awucompliment muhle njani
Ubani?
wena
Mina.
Hayi Shanda Palace.
Kodwa kangifuna uBaby. Hayi.
No. Khaya yazi you're getting things wrong. uBaby kachonga ukuthi kakufuni. You know, but that's one thing that you guys are overlooking. Uchomlo akakhuluma ilutho khaya. When you are the one osukhetha ama feelings and wear izinto kungakafiki esikhathini sokuthi uwe izinto. This guy hasn't said anything.
Akamyali ngani? Why cheater phela?
The fact that he's given you a chance. The fact that he's given you a chance.
Alright, fine. Maso factor in isikhathi vela ku make sense ukuthi amyali. Lapha la msekuyiphambana.
Antu yabona ikhona sithi glass lalo liyaqeda.
But the fact that he's given you a chance, khonapho ukuthi ukunika i-chance.
Phela konqinisile let me not put pressure on myself. Let me just enjoy.
It means there is room. Yes. Ukuthi he gave you a chance, it means there is room.
That was a motivational speak.
You know ukuthi I wish ukuthi ngabe thalo ngento ibizo like at least ngiyalazi.
Mandla, shut up.
Is ukuthi kuthiwa uyangifollow and I feel bad for you right lapha.
Funguzele
Mangabe lapha uma comments elaleni.
uyafollowa.
Imagine.
Manje nxa ekufollowa which means ukuthi she feels threatened umuhle kulaye.
Yeah, ne?
You never know ukuthi man guys. Mina ngiyasaba lokumgugula ngiyasaba vele.
Yimi.
What if he?
Yimi.
No, I think
ibizo lakhe
ibizo lakhe yabona ukuthi ibizo lami ngukhaya but in full ngukhaya elihle. So lami ngikwazi ukhaya wakhe.
How?
Okay.
Kufaka lokuthi umuntu ebekwazi ukuthi uD.
Ukwazi ukuthi ngu D.
Okay.
which is
lami
very good.
angilazi ibizo lakhe mphobo ongazi lami ukuthi ungubani ungudi yabo angifisi lokumbona. I don't really want to put myself in that situation ukuthi ngimbone, but what I know
utshona usumstock uyabe so obsessed.
Nani uli-reminder nje ukuthi amadoda izinyamazane ezilwayo.
ingani utshile ukuthi izinyamazana wabona apha inyamazana eloya wena
athi utshintsha izinyamazane.
Guys, on other news umfazi kaTK uhambe wadeactivate i-account ezona i-2K leya. Uyazibona into zakho khaya.
Moment of silence.
Kathi sitrendile yini?
Angisazi kumbe kulomuntu isitrendile but kulomuntu omtshele i-account ayisekho. But kathi vele ngashare njani? Ngiyenze ngishare i-screen ufike ulijengisa ivideo yangikhona ukuthi nxa ngisithi amadoda ayamosha.
yo guys ngiyathanda ukuxoxa lani like istories enzima but I mina ngicela ngikulala futhi ngivukele emsebenzini.
Misiphila nami ngivukele emsebenzini asihlale.
Lami ngivukele emsebenzini guys.
Ungavukela emsebenzini.
Mina ngisemsebenzini khona. Mr. Yabona into emangalisayo ngokuvukela emsebenzini.
Ngathi uwodwa osebenzayo la lathi sivukele emsebenzini.
Guys
and asikuthandi futhi lo uvukele emsebenzini.
It's not like uthi uyathanda umsebenzi.
ngoba njani?
Kanti lami nanko nginyanatha kodwa kusasa ngimsebenzini.
Lami ngiyanatha khona lapha ubona sefuna expose i-account yakho.
Siyamathanini sonke guys, nami nginje ngiyanatha.
Enza nje indloka in on time futhi ngena ngadakwanga.
Dion phela i-share screen sibona ukuthi kade kuthwani.
Ngibona ishayela i-screen somntwana phela bechayo I'm not the blind, I am the one.
Hayi thumela ish. What was deactivate? Usekithi ngiyiplay from lay phone. Wena ulenye ifone usiphele khona.
Khaya ukuthi le spotlight yonke but mina lami ngiyagothrowa khona.
Ugothrowa imandla kusitshele ke alright.
Ufuna ngenzeni khaya ngisanda ku-inbox.
Manini guy manje i-account MS2 wathi nguthumele thumela ku-account MS2.
Mandla, what's wrong?
Ngiyaliwe. Already ngayalo.
Bakulayile.
Mante.
Wawuyenzeni?
Mante.
Wawuyenzeni? Hayi wawuyenzeni phela. Khaba ngapha ukuyala nje.
Sibili ngandithanda ngisenza yonke into. But kwathiwa sizihlo.
Manje sengu-requestile la.
Sharp.
Hayi man uthumela video yakho Mante man nguDion. Ayizimante.
uDion
Awusatsho nawe
ngani. Kwathiwa sizihlobo.
Ibizo kaDion bani?
Kwathiwa lisihlobo.
Unamanga lo imuva ekhulumayo.
Selidlene.
Nangu Dion.
Manje umncedana.
Dion
ngwakondiweni. Umama wakhe ngwakondiweni. Yena ngwakunxumalo.
Kanti unxumalo ondiweni into e1.
Hayi. Umama wakhe ngwakondiweni.
Then wena ngwakondiweni. Yes cha ukhulumana ngomza wami uthe sengizizuzele inkazana. Hayi my PhD. Alright ke PhD. Ungabe uyaqansa ngawenza ngcono.
Kule space lapho PhD kaqansa fire ama shots akhe sizwe.
Pause emsebenzini. Indoda sebenza Friday ebusuku red flag.
Nama flag angaphi lawo?
Kule Zimbabwe, kule South Africa, kula lapho South Nigeria, kula lapho. Hayi Khumalo. Ukhumalo ngomunye ngangifuna guys. Ukhumalo ngomunye la lo engangimfuna. Wathi nakangifuni lo mfazi. Ngathi jo abantu ngeke.
Lokho lo mfazi wakhe.
Angazi
ngisake bemali.
Unemali.
Ubani?
PhD. Lo PhD.
Again kai mana ngu request.
Hayi i-video leyani yalo kubuye ithi khona the receiver is not available in the country's origin kwantoni.
Yo ngeke phela hayibo sesiyabhubhela ke khona.
Kumele
Khumalo.
Yes masika namhla uyisipoko kwenzakalani?
I-Halloween phela.
Hayi ngiyakho kanti.
Hawu ngeyethu sonke.
Hayi phuma lapho, phuma.
Ngeke.
Phuma.
Cha.
umfazi ongatsheleki red flag.
Imagine eseyindoda endlini.
Exactly.
Imagine ngiyamdla ngithini umuntu onje so.
Hayi imagine wena usuyindoda endlini esegqoke sex usithi kuyini khona.
Awuyabuyise asikhuluma into esizibonayo la. Asikhulume into esizibonayo.
Ngifone lombheda.
But imagine Khumalo
awuzanani lama dress up phela during iClof.
Hayi khiphani dress ayingeni ndawo dress up la.
No, imagine no, imagine nje so and la mehlo akhe lawa i-red.
For you phela not for me.
Hayi for me yani mina ngumfazi.
For you ngathi wena wawufuna ukumphakela into engangiyidli.
Uyabusihlwa yikuyini ukuyidla into enje so.
Ngidlala. Laba ngidla usathane fair.
Yabona ukuthi nanti mina indoda yakho ngithandi. Mina ngifuna umuntu amozothi vava boom like adventure into.
Akula adventure emahlele edethiwe emnyama nje i-adventure yokwenzani khona.
Yabona leyi kade sikhuluma ngayo izolo ukuthi uyathusuyiqokele sex. Yathi usuyigqokele sex ithi kuyini khona okukufunde ngapi yo?
Hayi manje.
Kodwa fana abantu bakhona bakubhaxa kula ngemvumo.
Asenzeni so.
Hayi manje withdraw the line ekubhaxabuleneni.
Manini ngokubhaxa kula siko lapho. Manini.
Wena njengawo ufaka into le ekhanda yazi umhlobo
wakho. Hayi madoda kathi sijajana for what? Nanjaje ukhala.
Bathi ukhaya umjajile ngani ukuthi ufake la ngiyakujaja vele umhlobo wamadoda nalo bazozana leze emakhanda bayahlupha lifukutonga liyawomela liyachaya yine libhaxa
yekela khona.
Yeah mina ngiyekele njani wena ukhaya ingani umtshela ukuthi ayekele so mina ngase ngikutshela mina mase
uthi ayekele wayitshela nguwe kanti
lami ngithiyekela khona lo Kale into nesekhanda vele uzaqoka njani i-crown windoda.
Phuma.
Miss Malaika uMalaika wena.
Yabona Dion manje so thanks Putman ngiyakubelieve ukuthi izolumoshiwe wena qeda uphuma lapho uthi udayiwe ngiyabelieve. Makukhuluma kanje ngiyabona
ukuthi njani kho.
Ngama powers khaya.
Hayi vele ungabona indoda ifaka izinto ekhanda vele kusathi.
Ngama powers khaya.
Khumalo hayi
awuyini iqhiye yini leyo ifake ekhaya wena unga-attack ekhaya ifakeni iqhiye ngathi masibindi qala ukhulume lami lokho kusekhanda kuyini i-crown iqhiye iwigi
ndoda
uDion sokukhuluma ibhodlela lapho uDion uyamonga
uDion ngana uDion understand ukuthi wena kuhonyelwa le mali kabani di
hayi but yena waye-attack ukuthi wena kuthiwa wena wayifakile yena nxa sesibuza isinawe problem yena ubuze mbani ukuthi i-crown ngeyani Miss Universe
ngithe phuma kini
where Miss Universe
ngithe phuma kini ngizama ukukhuluma lo masibindi la
alright
Chana no right
uzagcina ungikhuthisa amakhekhe ngenxa yokulokhu ukhuluma into ezingale eziseceleni
alright sendithu
ikhekhe la ngikhona lalo lidwetshiwe so uzalidla
hey
ngiyacisha amalayithi mvana masibindi
Khumalo
ekela abantu bengigengela apho qinisile
Khumalo ufuna mina ndini
bakhosi
hawu bekugengela apho uDion beyedwa nje
angikhulumi lani namadonga endlini ake lithuli
hayi lawe Miss Malaika
uyabona ukuthi kodwa la usuke wayimosha baba ngoba la usuke wasuka la wangingenela phambi kwabangani bami
yandi ilanguage yethu sikhohlile
mina mbatshela kudala ngathi wena ngangufuna wena wathi awungifuni sokhohle kodwa Khumalo
ngeke ngaba offended because I know ukuthi that doesn't
no bese kade befuna uqase phela bekubuza ukuthi lokhu usasela yini
umfazi hayi bembuza
amajodo
nguye wathi lo mfazi kakufuni
nguye wathi lo mfazi kangifuni
ahambe le crown yakhe lo kumbe Miss Malaika
hey
yamthini Miss Malaika la
masibindi
Khumalo
Adiona mabhazi
kumnitho ngabantwana nokuwethulo
uyazi ukuthi you've always been a moderator in my life uyabona ukuthi awungeni ungena kuma live
lizwile lina lo yidu
no but ungabakhiphi
zwana lami nginje ngiyimoderator ngiyawisa wena kuqala vele don't ungayiqali
please do
nayazidlulela guys vele ngabe le ndaba la
ngevule yami live ngena phela ngevule yami live ngifone liwest wena aphumela liwisi
Ngitshela ukuthi ukhaya vele unjalo emadodeni khaya.
No guys,
Ngaka.
guys, angithi today sithe I'm doing uniform. Wanti lapha nami Nkosi yami nankulunkulu wami. I'm useless man. Hayi. Mina ngizozishaya mina self. You?
Lo wathi ule mfazi kumalayika.
Akho right Khumalo.
Ngisakwazi.
And ukhaya ungamthini sesikhumalo khaya.
Khumalo mina ngicela iadvice. Ngoba laba bafazi laba lokho sivumelana kuphela. Mina sengifuna ukuza ne-advice.
So kungena indoda sesijikela.
Ngiyazi wasijikele. Yabona ekhaya.
Ngiphathekile vele.
Guys, kodwa
Ngani,
it's something new. It's not something new. Liyakwazi vele lesagwebo. Why the extra surprised?
Ngena kukaKhumalo khathesi le crown yakhe sidikize.
Ngishiya ama-wetpad sami. Ngishiya ama-wetpad sami komfana.
Ncekulo. Ncegu.
Unceke ubanjwe ngamakhiwa akhe ngale.
Lokho khuluma isingisi esingapheli unceke.
Hayi muyiseni sifaka abantu abaxoxayo.
Muyise.
Ncegu, bye.
And sure uyazi ukuthi uziwe wangena nje kwafaka imithetho.
And uyazi yena lo crown Miss Malaika kumbe ufuna ukuba
Singaphila njengamavevana into kumele ube lento
kumbe ufuna ukuba nguMiss Universe njengayo. Guys, asisupporteni Miss Universe anti.
Guys,
uyenze njalo.
Uyakwazi ukuthi mina ngikhaya ngabatshela ngathini? Ngabatshela ngathi kungaze kuthiwe kule family gathering anti. Mina umfana engafuna ukumbona ngeday family gathering. Mina ngiyemfaneni.
Guys, mbani lo sibele hayishona.
Ulindo uyahlanga lingamnaki lo.
I-boyfriend yini?
Kungathiwa kule family gathering wena uyafuna emfaneni?
Mina umfana ngafuna ukumbona ngesame day ngihambe emfaneni. Do you know why? I-family yami will always be my family. So you guys now will always be my friends. Akujiki lutho. Ukuthi indoda guys singavuki inyali lekusasa. Nangeli inyali.
But you choose indoda over us.
It depends. It depends, guys.
Nagaya kwazi ukuthi like ama friendships sami labangana anti. No amaqina ayefaila because mina ngangisacrifice like growing up ngarealize ngangisacrifice mina indoda ongeke umbambe nilabangani bami. Angihathi lo kahambe. Because ngiyabe ngikwasi ngiyadobha omunye kusasa. But umngana anti i-friendship is not ukuthi like okwe life. I-friendship is very difficult ukuthi like libe ku situation leyani yokuthi lingabangani liyazwisisana lathini. And as you grow old, you have to abantu badlala because of different reasons. Abanye this and that, what not. At least amadoda you know ukuthi bafuna ukusebenzisa liyafanana yini. But umngani uyazi ungathola 1 or 2 angikhulumi nge-life. I'm talking okay. Khuluma Miss Malaika.
Umzwira ukuthi ukhayitheni.
Malaika.
Umzwira ukuthi ukhayitheni kumbe lapho manje.
Uthe indoda yena.
Abangane ukhuluma very off topic. Family boyfriend. Akuzami
khona. Abangane I think wena ngo off topic.
Uthe boyfriend family full stop.
Wasesithi abangane thina i-boyfriend anti. Isingavuka imiyale but thina abangane singeke simiyale.
Family.
Hayi ukhulume khona lokho lokuthi abangane. Khaya utheni.
Hayi ngani ngangifaki.
Hayi utheni. Ukhaya ukhulumile uthi abangane soke simlahle.
Ufuna uDion why kanti ulokho umngene. Lami sengibona ngathi uDion ngiyosenthathela uKhumalo.
I never.
Ukhumalo i-ex yami sake sakhethana guys.
Never.
Ngiyakuzpose.
Angidli mina izithu ezibaba ngekeli.
Uyahlanya
ngangile ndoda yayisitsho njalo so ngingathi wena why ubani umkhangela athi angidli dot ngafica phezulu kwedot kwezinsuku
vele liqiniso ungeza indoda itshona ikhuluma attack umuntu kakhulu anti iyamjabulela wena
Khumalo indoda eyabe sisithi phela mina ngiyazihlonipha mpho ngihamba la yonke into ulala la
exactly and ulala la
but mina nchongo njalo phela
so mina
good night Thembi vele uzange ngikhulume nix
kodwa good night Dion
hayi ngidlaliswa nguwe mina it's only 10 o'clock
bonzonthezwe lobuto
antu yabona uhlethi good night Dion even ngakhulumanga athi ukuthi endlebeni zakho uzuza uDion kuphela khaya I'm sorry indoda lebi kuhlanyisa is in my DM
never
Yeah, ngiyawena.
Mina Dion uyambona vele sengimuve. Sengixola ngundoda yami leyo mzini. Yebo Khumalo.
Yakwazi ukuthi ungakhuluma yonke into uthi nithi vele iqiniso yalazi. Mina uyangazi. Umzila wami uyawazi.
Khaya sho ukwazi umzila lo.
Yes.
Dion, yazi noma ngazi umzila kaKhumalo lo Dion. Mina lo Dion phela sike savumbuluka silama ex ahambelana naye. So nami I can't put anything past you Khumalo.
Lami vela ngeke nguyalele
ngoba izothe sithatha isitoku siqamba ama ex lapha sa realize ukuthi
abe kunzima.
Kodwa sikhulume ngabo abantu labana kodwa sho uNkulunkulu.
Bathi mina kuloyiwana engivuke ngambona edate.
Vele ngichaya uvalo.
Lami manje mina I didn't stop there.
Mina ngithanda uvala anti but ngithemba bona uBrandon en WhatsApp ngisabile lokuvula iWhatsApp message.
Nansi ex yakho yamaqiniqini unajiyo.
Hayi uyazikhanda unespeed. Lazohudulana nabo Khumalo amadoda
sapho. Nansi ex yakho Dion.
Angila ex mine ku live ku TikTok guys. Mina ngidola nabantu abadala.
Ukulithe kwakho na.
Balele.
Wona udlala bafana.
Adlala bafana.
Balele.
So umfana nguzi. Zibathu ngumfana.
Lindo bathe ngomfana. Ubazwini?
Mina ngizimfana mina.
Mina uDion wathi mina ngindoda mfana lawo.
Indoda lawo.
uDion uyamthanda.
Dion ukwazi.
Dion uyamthanda.
Yabona wena uyothiwa umfana. Kutsho wena.
Yabona khaya wena uzosikhapha. Mina lozi
Dion about mina ngumfana.
Mina Dion vela anyali because andimbona ukuthi mina lawe ngathi sithanda amadoda afanayo.
Endiyazi nyane.
Into yethu nyane le, into yethu. Ingakhathali.
Alami ngisidu phathi kade sengasilima ngayekela ukusilima eUK. Uthani?
Uzi type yakho.
Ngithi silama
mina ngithanda amadoda hayi wena Lindo.
Hayi lami ngithanda amadoda siyafana ngoba ngiyadelela.
Yabona
mina ngithini izolo ngathi mina ngifuna yami indoda izingishaye ngoba mina ngiyadelela.
Lami mina ngiyakushaya.
Ngifuna nje ithi mpama nje i standard.
Uthi nxa uvuke ekseni uzongani uchawe yitractor so. Mina ngifuna yami indodana yokuthi iyangitshala nxa ngenzanga lutho ukuthi nje ngihlale ngikhumbula ukuthi ubaba ngoba ngiyazazi phela mina.
Mina yaphendla imbuye kusasa. Uvela ungela ukuthi mina ngifazo mina ngomela kukhuza.
Mina ziyajabula so mabesho
kanjani. Yeah, sibe sesikhala ngapha sithwele ama glass. It's fine.
Khuluma ngami. Engakhuluma ngeke umkakhe yazibhanda.
Akukho that deep vele.
Bathi uyashaya wena.
Ukwangize azona mfana. Yabona sesenzani kadesi? Yabona into enzani?
Ubani?
Masibindi, liyambona into enzani?
Angikhipha phela sizokuyageza.
Yes.
What's wrong with that?
That's my point phela. Lina kwento kilibekela la esindwa into kade umuntu ngayikhiphe.
Vele yiproblem yini. Awuzwisisi kulesikhathi seChristmas sigqoka amapijama kulesikhathi seHalloween sigqoka amamaski kule Valentine sigqoka seyimkhumbuzile sorry
amapijama yitrigger phela.
No my baby I'm sorry. Oh baby take a sip. Party sip mama. Yabona so right. Yabona wena
vele red flag isisalo.
Dion vele khona phana uthe kodwa kungikhomela indawo amapijama wabe ngabe ngikhala.
That's how it's done man.
Lapho bukhaliswa yibunandi
ukuzikhala. Ngasa pijama mana understand.
Lo tshwala ngitshela ngathi glass vele liza kukhipha kuma relationship. Andalifuna ukuvuma.
No but athi mina
imagine umuntu umnyobe ekhala la uyaba traumatized.
Lindo.
Ngitshela uthi glass ichiyana lalo.
Ulalele kodwa indaba secha music mfana.
Baba yini?
Imagine uphezulu komuntu uyakhala usakwazi kumbe kusasuya kodwa kumbe hotel. Wesi njengalapha amehlo ayakhithika.
Ngokhalisa abantu phezulu ngamapijama.
Ungayela ukubaleka.
Angibazi abantu.
Ilihlo selikhithikile.
Angibazi mina abantu abakhithika amehlo la.
Yo mina vele indaba le gang utshela ufuna uqamanga vele iyangitrigger.
Into ezincane lawo.
Masiyonke ngiyambona and futhi ngingambona yena egqoka ipijama guys yena ngagqoka ipijama.
Amanzi amancane thina sasabona ama wedding gown.
Kathi mina guys do you know ukuthi mina guys nginama aspiration amaningi kakhulu. Mina I just want umuntu uzogqoka ipijama ye Christmas. Manje awona.
Ngizagqoka la ekhaya, it's not a big
Kazi
deal.
khalisile.
Yabona mina la
Isiyelile.
sizagqoka ama-pajama Christmas.
Ungazi ukuthi ngisile but because do you don't know what that means for me. Do you know ukuthi ugqoka ipijama?
Khathi usele lihle li-red. Anyone. Nawe noma kuthiwa uyamthanda.
Amadoda amaningi vele they wouldn't wear ama-pijama lawanani. But ungabona umuntu wakho nawu ngiqolani eseJohnny Live. Ungabona umuntu wakho
Hayisuki. Hayi ulele lwana.
Obvious nje wena umntana.
Ulele.
Ngithi guys ungabona indoda yakho i-willing ukuthi igqoka ama-pijama lawana guys. That means uyakuthanda. So ungambona igqoka ipijama ukuthi uthanda umfazana more than
Utho lo.
Umalo wayihle.
Ngifuna ukukusendela ama-pictures ami next live anti. Ngifuna ukusendela ama-pictures ami sigqoke ama-matching outfits. Ngibe senginika istory.
Lapho sigqoka pijama wena next week.
Sigqoka ama-matching outfits January to December.
Zune pijama.
Not ipijama ye-one day.
Ungambona eyali pijama ukuthi vele ungambona eyali pijama ukuthi African attire vele ngeke.
Different years. January to December.
Into zokho ipijama. Hayi mina ngwebheju. Ngqoka ibheju fair lingala lutho waphakathi.
Njengo Miss Universe guys ngingabuza Miss Universe.
Mina mfaka ibheju yezwa wona Dion ibheju elingala
wena Miss Universe lawo.
Elingala underpaint phansi mfana.
Uthi mawudumiswa vele.
Yeah, mina phela ngikhona imbala yami le.
Lesibindi. Yomhlaba
inkomo zakho. Uboya yonke le.
Khaya.
So khaya yini ukuze nifuna yena le yakhambi ichawa ngumoya.
Guys nginokukhanya
Khaya uzenza izinto.
Khaya uzazilimaza.
Waba isiphofu.
Uzazilimaza.
Hayi.
Paul Matabire wayesenza so.
Ngambona ngaphi.
Ngidokhe la buyele endaweni yalo ayikuthi ekubaleni.
Ayalokuphupha.
Ayazi abafazi laba bama 2025 laba ayiniyisi.
Nithi uma ngasoma ka-2025 bayasihleka ngoba basibiza ama-1K kuTikTok.
Basithi ngama-1K abantwana laba.
Uthiwa vele lipstick.
Abalidingele elinye ibizo futhi hayi ngoba nikisa.
Njengawe Miss Universe uyasizonda.
Ngiyakwazi.
Khaya ubalo lo ukuthi umthembile sibili uza kutshela ukuthi ukhipha ama-tattoo. Angiboni kuhle.
Thenga amapijama na cast
khonapho uyakwazi ukuthi ubhebhe wami umuntu uthi ufuna ukuyamfakisa i-tattoo engifuna ukulifaka.
Ufuna ukufakisa i-tattoo lani ungantsheli ukuthi lebizo lakhe.
No. Ngifuna ukwenza i-full sleeve yami anti. So ufuna ukuyaqedisa i-upper sleeve yami then sesifaka i-matching tattoo encane. Ufuna ukwenza. Manje umuntu wami njengoba
liyenza i-matching tattoo. Khaya liyenza i-matching tattoo khalela amapijama.
Z.
Yena vume something permanent like that. Really?
244 i-tattoo efana lekagule.
44 uyalwa.
Salani papayini.
Papa ekhumani.
Tamam.
Uya cool baby.
Ohamba cool baby.
Cool is gone. And ukhu bakithi.
Our princess.
And our princess. Le crown.
Cuckoo. Yazi 44 makiwa ngizokubloka yazi ukuthi uzofaka i-tattoo efana lekagule.
Akulanda ma small into ezincane lezi.
Mina vele kahle abantu
namhla ungaphi khaya
ma
ungaphi namhla
namhla sendlini yami
ubaby gone awusekho ku-island.
Anti ubaby ngimshiyile endlini yakhe guys. Ngimshiyile endlini yakhe then mina somale ngibuye uNkulunkulu liberate me from abafana.
I know the feeling ngajola le ndoda yomuntu. I'm sorry guys lingangijaji.
Awunanto zokujaja lapha into eseke sazenza lapha zihlazimulisa igazi.
Hayi ngitsho nje lawa afuna ukungirecord ukuthi uzathiwa mina ngajola la yazi nxa yethu uyahamba so wathi ngeke ngixoxele story time but guys story time le very personal. Yazi ubhebhani achaya lapha nobhebhani wayebhebha wayemarried. So nxa indoda imarried la umele ujole ukwazi ukuthi lapha ngama sports and because lawe you need your own person. Right. So lapha ngayise ngilo on person, but on person now wayehlala eGoli. Mina ngihlala ngaphi? eBulawayo. Lo nguye current bay. Current muntu. Anyway, umuntu abuye lapha nani? Ubhebhe abuye vele ubhebhe sasibonana every day vele ubhebhe obsession hayi vele na indoda ngayibamba guys. One thing I can promise you want. Ngingambamba umuntu anti hayi akasuki kancane. So ubhebhe wayetshone khona. Anti asuka hamba. Androp endlini maybe sitshone sonke the whole day. I think kwakuyi-Saturday weekend khona lapho sitshone sonke ahambe endlini. Athi ehambela ukhukhu baby. Ahambe endlini ubhebhani. Xa ehamba endlini umuntu afika athi senjani senilendile. Uzonithatha ngapha e-airport ngigijime ngiyethatha ubhebhe e-airport. Ubhebhe abuye because ubhebhe long distance relationship angikwazi ukuthi uyenzani eGoli. Sifike sinjani sisebenzisa protection. Xa sisebenzisa protection anti ubhebhe avuke kusena ethi njani sehamba phela uye emsebenzini whatever what not. Ahambe. Ethe qeda ukuhamba lapha nani umuntu manje abuye ethi gugugu umnyango.
Ngahle abakwazi ukukusha.
Nobani lele ngidayiwe mina nti. Ngithatha amaphepha lawana ngijikele phansi komattress. Kanti abuye ubhebhe vele ahlabuye khona phana kusena ahlathi geza siyangaphi so ngiqamba izindawo. Sihambe lo bhebhe. Sisasiphenduka ubhebhe thena sefuna ukuya endlini ngithi ngeke uhambe phela endlini. Ngithatha amakhiye emfihle. Anti nidayiwe at this point. Benatha the previous night senatha the next day. Xa mvuka the next day amakhiye angisawabona awendlini. Awukuvula umnyango ukuthi aphuma ahambe. Sasidinga amakhiye at this point yaze aphakamisa umattress ahlangana lamaphepha. Athi mayehlangana lamaphepha athi Dion ngithi yazi abangani bamanzonda. Athi Dion ngithi because why? Wona ngathi ngikubona izolo. Into lezi zabe zivelanga. Wathi Dion ngitshona ngikutshela ngendaba zabangani channel abangani vele abangani bakho bayangikuthela ngathi baby vele mina ngizwile abangani idot. Yaphela kanjalo indaba guys. Sithe sixabana sokuphambili ngathi uyahlanya wena wawungawona amasayinzini indaba zakho. Wazichithela wedwa umuzi wakho.
Abona mina guys mina ngicheat. Mina angicheat guys mina ngingu-1 person at a time.
Hayi indoda yomuntu cheater vele ungayithathi njengomuntu. Indoda yomuntu ngama sports take it like that.
So ngimchithele mina ubhebhe wami angiyemchithe ubhebhe wami.
Ayi bengasondoda yomuntu.
Ubhebhe uthe qeda
yakwazi ukuthi that's the other thing engayinanzelelayo ungajola le ndoda yomuntu. Yeah, I think bayancindezela like uyabe ngafuni ukuthi ube
nomuntu. Stop exactly.
Yes, yena uyabe ngafuni.
And progress uzahlala khona phana ube ngumakhwapheni uzummithele ukumnyise
Dion baby mana mina ngajola le ndoda yomuntu linganjani.
Wazalazo magiyalo wazalazo.
7 years. Iminyaka eyisikhombisa.
Hayi mina maximum bi4 7.
7 la uyenzeka
la uyenzeka 7. Hayi manje
kwakungaphumeki guys ku relationship leya. Yakwazi ukuthi bulawa incane.
Ngaphuma nzima.
Zwana guys
yakwazi ukuthi bulawa
incane ube le stress alisamlalelayo. Uthi bekhale
uMandla yakwazi sonke sidayike uMandla khona abantu ubhizi umyuthi ubhizi sancenga intombi yakhe lemiyaleyo.
uMandla ukhulumile istress yakhe ukuthi unyoba ihlobo sakhe so asingena ngaphithina.
Sure singangena indaba ze-incest. I-incest sayifunda from form 1 kumbe primary angikwazi.
Sodom and Gomorrah type things ngeke phela manje.
Hayi ngeke.
Yes 7 years. Uyazi ukuthi bulawa incane. Yazi ukuthi sajola ugulezwe wazi wagcine sengazi so. Ngafisa ukuhamba eshop ephane ubithayo
ngithi vele ungathela indoda yomuntu isikhathi sigule zigcine kwazi la mama wagcina sengazi.
Egcine sengazi galo khona ukuthi uyathuza drive le town.
Watching you texting my husband.
Ngathi yeba.
Uyathuza drive le town ubone nawe use driver so phonga udlula phambi kwakho ukukhangela uvula iwindow ukukhangele. You know lokhana ukuthi I can see you.
Mina owami Gulezi wathi kimi we have a small baby ngathi it's yours not mine.
At that time babe le small baby. At that time babe le small baby. Guys, sajola umntwana wazwangena esikolo. I-small baby yena le yayikhona.
Mina ngajola ngisasele la
sajola uGulezi wazwabakwazi. uGulezi wazwabakwazi lapha engihlala khona. Ngithi nxa ngidriver ngivele emsebenzini. Ngithi ngiyathatha ikhona ukuthi sengifike endlini. Ngibe ngibona imoto ipakile. So they had a couple of cars and so ngangakwazi ukuthi imoto iyabe driver ngubani, you know. So ngabona imoto ipakile phandle egedini. I'm thinking is he here? Nguye or ngithi mbone nguGulezi.
Yebana.
Guys, ngathwala nzima ngalesiyana sikhathi ngenye day ngabe ngifika mina endlini. So ngadriver in and ubaby yena wayethe ngiyalandela. So I didn't lock the gate. I didn't close the gate because wathi ngiyalandela. Mina only to discover ukuthi ubaby wathi yena uyabuya wabe chayisana nobani. uGulezi emlandela. So wabe diverter iroute uGulezi wabe driver wabe buya yena endlini. uGulezi wabe driver yena wabe buya endlini. So mina mbona imoto ingena, I'm thinking kathi ngubani lo because on that particular day wabuya ngemoto engaso yakhe. And then endlini it's me, my maid and my daughter. Ngahle ngatshela umntana nami ukuthi ungaphuma ebedroom yakho. uGulezi ubuye labangani bakhe. Wafika wabe paka ngemuva laphana. Kangena egarage ohamba ngemuva eback door kitchen. Usengenile lapha kasaphumi. Mina ngabe ngitshela unkazana osebenzayo ukuthi gijima uyenzani, gijima uyevala igate. Key gate sizabona ukuthi bayaphuma nga. So ngabe wabe key gate lwana wahle sephenduka endlini ukuthi usekhile igate mina ngabe ngiphuma ngeback door. Mina ngingalinceda. Abe sithi yeah wena indoda ngathi manje lapha phela ya trespassing wena. Because ungene njani khona? Ungene njani wena khona?
Njani?
Because le sokuyi harassment lapho uya trespassing la. Ngahle ngabona vele ukuthi lapho kurizina lo muntu ukwazi ukuthi vele wena indoda yakhe ngoyiphakelayo nsuku zonke akuncedi. Ngabe ngithatha ilokhuzeni iwheel spanner. Ama-wind wonke wemoto kwakuqala ukuba lamalokhuzeni ama-vits lawana ngayithi imoto ngayithi ama-wind sebephuma phandle khathi esamakhelwane sebengikhangela ukuthi kambe sho umntwana lo othule kangaka sokuhambe njani. Ngawachaya ama-wind sebephumile bona sebesithi kathi uyenzani lwana umngani wakhe manje ongiyo kade umnikazi wemoto odrive uGulezi sengothi khangela khathi esimota yami hayi khangela imota yami mina asokungokwakho lokho. Ngabe ngingena mina endlini ngabe mbaleka ngabe ngingena endlini sebehlezi phandle. So umngani kusesithi ngcono sichaye phansi sebethi bachaya phansi bafica igedi likhiyiwe. And at that time that's the same time lapha nomntwana omncane khona. Sephenduka futhi driver back sebebuya ngereverse ku driveway. Sokuthiwa seqoqoda sokuthiwa hayi besicela ukuthi usivulele igedi sihambe phela ndomntwana mina ndaba ungacabanga ukuthi lo mntwana ubuya la. Indaba ungacabanga ukuthi lo mntwana ubuya la because umlandelana.
I'm sure singahlangana sobathathu ungathi angazi.
Mina vele ku right singahlangana because akekho uzokhuza omunye.
Ulandelana endlini yami. Why are you there? Why are you coming to my house?
Mina vele even ngiyimi umamdala ngulanda endlini yakho vele lokuchaya imoto ichance yangikhona ngendlela endihlanya ngayo even undlanda mina vele either way ngokuyakuthi
mina
whether ngingumamncane or ngingumamdala.
Mina I think because I've been side chick for a long time I would never be uGulezi olanda umamncane ngoba mina ukhona umigogo engangamshayi angeke. I would never do that. Cabanga sengishaye i2000 never guys.
Na ngeke ungichaye mina vele ngidilize. Abangaze
ngicela ukuhamba njani?
Mina lo ugaba bakithi. Usewenza.
Hayi vele indaba
ngathi vele unilandelana endlini yami unganilanda endlini yami.
And it's wrong. Umuntu okulanda endlini yakhe wrong, umuntu okhomba indoda yakhe wrong. So aziwa amaziwa.
Asome kancane. Okhomba indoda yakho wrong phela mina ngishadanga lawe.
Hayi wrong ukhomba indoda uyikhomba njani indoda yami ngulanda ngitshela ukuthi
indoda yami. Okay, it's fine ngithi uthi thina sikhomba indoda yakho si wrong. Nasko wrong.
Li wrong, wonke umuntu wrong. Le ndoda ngikhona wrong.
Something there. Mina umuntu wami lo engilaye manje ule girlfriend but nxa esayina amaphepha akhe phansi yazi ukuthi uthi ikhathini lapha ku box elika marital status uthi single.
Hayi but wena uyakwazi ukuthi ngumuntu womuntu.
No, angikwazi kanjani umuntu omuntu ngizwa ngaye mhlawumbe unamandla vele.
Awubona umuntu ehlala lo muntu elomfazi elabantwana. You know ukuthi ngumuntu womuntu. I'm not saying this because ngibeni ukuthi now I've been a side chick, I've been the main chick. Right now ngalitshela ukuthi ngidlala yiphi icard ngu-live nje so lingadana.
Oh guys, mina phela ntandidivorce ngaso I'm still married. Ihle ndibonisa indoda yami.
Lama married.
Ile profile picture enje plane yephume plastic mandibonisa.
So wonke umuntu uyabona ukuthi even uyi-side chick kubuhlungu, even ungu-married woman kubuhlungu. So at the end of the day asingeke siblame umuntu, abantu aba-wrong ngamadoda.
Hayibo guys, profile picture nayo ilahlekele. Okay, lapha umuntu wami. Ngiyafisa ukubona umuntu wami guys, imbona umuhle kanjani.
Liboss.
Iboza guys. Yi-types yami. Nangu futhi baby. Okay, mana move ona ntingeni. Nangu. Yi-profile picture yendoda yami le.
Hey baba.
Ngubani lo omunye?
Ulobonile.
Uwife phela.
Mpongo. Wife.
Kuzwana uMandla sevuleka ngokuthi impongo. He's nice. Look, he's nice. Clean.
No, mina vele my husband shemube clean. Ngibona la umama omncane.
Umama omncane. Yabona ukuthi secret khaya nxa usufuna ukuyenda mana ngikutshela. Uyagqoka amaqhiyi, ugqoka impahla zozana ezinto vele ube ngu-pretty girl uqala ukuposta God what not. Alikaze libone guys. Amawule
guys ngaze ngizama ukuthi ngiyazenza olungile. Bathe lobola day yami umaluma play video yami ye-TikTok ngithini? Ngeke. Like ngapha.
Play njani uyabungalalanga layo kahle ndoda. Khaya ungaba kwazi ama-sports embhedeni awulanto ozakhuluma lawo.
No guys mina mina ngiyivikise nge-clove ne. And akulandoda ekuthatha because unika i-clove emnandi. No.
And yakuthatha kuyaphela kusasa but yakuthatha.
Yo guys umuntu manje ngisekaya. Befuna ubonisa impikitsha umuntu amanthethe yona ngilele manje ingubo yakhe izobonakala umuntu wakho uzoyibona la ku-live.
La ingubo akhaya ngasithenge
ingubo yangikhona
ingubo kabani? Ingubo kabani kanti?
Mante
what is a blanket?
Lina ngiditshela kudala ngathi
nje ngathi iwigi le ngakhaya. So mina ngabe uya ku-live mfaka iwigi le kuzathiwa udiyona iwigi uyiphiwe ngikhaya. Lingafuna ukusijwayela kabi. Faka wena ingubo khaya. Faka. Namanje ngiletha konke le profile. Anti kusasa anti siyabe siku live guys abakhona. Ukhaya kusasa ngiyamsendela ivideo I'm not the blind ngitshengise.
Ukuthi live.
Hayi. Senza sikaba.
Siyenza kusasa or siyenza Sunday?
Asenzeni Sunday ngoba mina Sunday ngiyabe ngi-off.
It's fine. Sunday what time though? Sponti lami ngiyabe ngifree sikaba. Ngayisenda guys Sunday libuye ku-live lizobona u-ex wami oyelabantwana abayi-15 engamdata for 3 years.
Lami guys ngacisha ngamqoma.
Exactly guys. Waqeda lapho wayathatha umntwana ole-21 years. And also I want us to fight for this girl because I don't think she knows what she's doing.
Hayi lingangindaba zabantu.
Kumele si-expose even ngasela sibhitha nti but kuzathiwa khona hayi we tried because mina I don't think ukuthi umntana nami ngafuna ukuthi ethatha umntwana ethathwa ngumuntu ole-21 years ethatha umntana nami
guys uthando lu-blind manje litsheleni lo mngane wamkhathisa
uthando ngalo blind manje
alright
blind ngayisihlobo sakho leso sinyobayo kawuboni ukuthi isihlobo sakho
sizaba congratulate because that girl comes from a poor family
vela nguboni khona ukuthi yena ubone
sizakhuluma ukuthi uyakubona kumba ukubona ku-live hayi sizakhuluma ukuthi uyakubona kumba ukubona ku-live
dobi igwili mina ngidobi inyama
ukuthi ku-wrong kumbe ku-right siza kudiscussa ku-live akulamuntu olenkinga lakho so thina sizaposta and then abantu bazakhuluma ukuthi hayi ku-right kumbe ku-wrong kumbe ubhitha mama
mina njengoba layo usisi lo wacisha wangumnakwethu vele ngiyamsupport
usamncane ndoda ubaba lwani ukuthi ngimyala anti ngambona abantwana abayi-15 with different women. So I feel like ifamily yakhe yamfeyila. Umntwana wana needed to go to school.
But did she know? Yena did she know kodwa? But yabona ukuthi
she didn't know because they married her in 6 months.
But uyakwazi ukuthi there are so many factors phela ezinye abanye amantombazana bajolela indlala nkosi yami.
Exactly, which is wrong. Because ufake awareness. Yeah. So ufake awareness even ungasala uthiwe ubitha it's fine but when iphathi yakho yabuyenzi la. Umuntu awungeke uthi
what if bagcina abantwana bona bobe
abagcina
vele ngikhamba ngepoint
ngithelile sathi indoda egcina abantu abakhe bongu-211 iyi-1
asilankingelayo siyazimela indaba ngithe mina uguy lo ngamdata for 3 years ne ngingumakhwapheni ngifind out but now uguy lo the reason why I was finding out wayesendithethe wangibranda mina ngaba ngibani ngaba ngumain makhwapheni. Everyone thought ukuthi I was the wife. So umuntu wayebuya kimi le ndaba zonke lezi but umfazi wakhe, do you know how sad it is? Umfazi wakhe uthengisa emarket lapha.
Serious?
And uguy is so low key. Do you know ukuthi uguy low key lo kana ukuthi wayengethuka mina because wayesithi nxa ebuya kimi ebona i-maximum slay queen. Do you know why? Because uyahambe edinga abantwana labana bemalokitshini, so there is a trend. Yabo? I'm not even a slay queen mina. But uyabona ukuthi nxa umuntu ejwayele ukubona abantwana
awukhuluma live yonke uvumlwa ukuthinya.
Ngubani ofinya yimi?
Unomaswazini. I-live yonke uthula uvumlwa.
I think ulama sinus.
Shame, sorry sis.
Guys.
Mandla yini?
So I'm saying ukuthi it's actually a pandemic. No, let me tell you, this guy is so low key. He's very low key. But abantu abathagetayo uthageta abantu abathule.
Ucishe washo lo muntu amazi.
Yemazi unomaswazi.
Unomaswazi segone ngasikhaya antu uyabona manje.
Unomaswazi kodwa. Ayili singabe uthe salibonani manje usefinya nje.
Ekhaya uyinja. Ekhaya why? Guys, when ukuthi okay fine if anything ukuthi wathina but sometimes abantu kumele uthi bebekwazi. I feel like ukuthi this guy uhambe ethatha advantage yabantu. Uyabona ke man wayesithi mina ngaze ngacela umntwana ku anyone but kuwe ngiyamcela. Ngathi umntwana ngispecial nje wayembona ukuhlakanipha because uhambe target abantu abangakwaziyo abathule. He's not famous this guy. Kulabantwana bayi-15 akusikuthi imqambela amanga guys indaba zami ngiyazimela.
Sengicala inqambe.
Isiyamqamba. Yebo khaya. Sibuya nama-vile vile.
Thanks. Mina ngithe ubhebi wami uthe ucela umntwana mina ngithe ngiyamnika ngoDisemba. Angeke ngizwe ngani.
Ucelile umntwana. La mina ngicela ukubuza yazi ukuthi you confuse me. So ukhalelani ngicela ukubuza.
But hayi wona utshoni lapha manje mawuthi ngikhalelani.
Kuthiwa sorry requested by mistake.
Ucelile umntwana. You know and
but what
you guys are getting matching tattoos.
Why umela acela umntwana? Umntwana ucelwa ngulotsholo. Kathi ke are you a baby making machine?
No, listen.
Is he placing an order?
Listen.
Angazi ngibuya McDonald's. Kumbe kusa KFC.
No, mina ngivumile guys. Manje something mina ngivumile. Phela ngakho isisu 12 weeks ukuthi sisidile laso. Mina ngivumile. And then
okay, we can't keep on being undertakers. Hayi ngeke.
Izono zami ziningi kakhulu but bengithi nje ngenze ndisiye kuphela next year ngizayenza isona. Qeda ndisiye izono zami zonke.
Lo siyamlokhuza yini? Siyamgcina.
Ngoba bakhe engekho serious asimgcina.
But ubaba labantu
hayi kuku kakhaya iyakhuluma so magama guys in.
Ulabantwana abangaki?
Ay guys umuntu abantwana abayi-3.
Lo mfazi oyi-1.
Ulabantwana abayi-3 with three different mothers.
Ule first born yakhe abalayo okwethu khona ukuthi siyaganga sibe labantwana then wayeshadile waba labanye.
Okay, that's not bad.
It's just 2 baby mamas. It's not bad.
That's not bad at all.
Yabo. So mina ungicelile mina ngabe ngivuma. Ngoba tha uguleze nakafuni bantwana. Ngase ngithi okay.
So yabona lapho kule weakness khona. Twa ingena ngenxeba. Wena sulithole.
Lami sengizama phela ukuthi ngingene ngenxeba. Uthi inxeba lakho nalikhulu Nkosi yami. Hayi.
Yo, sengidakiwe.
Lami into sengiyiphele khona apho ngiyazibuza ukuthi kodwa Nkosi yami bengiyaphi?
Ngisanike lo muntu i-chance yokukhuluma i-live ngani ngeyami.
Pero Dion no ungathi ubufuna ukuventa vele.
Hayi vele ngilonely guys.
Dion lami vele
abakhulumi ngokuba semazweni ukuthi kubuhlungu njani. You know abantu kufana lo mendo. Xa uphakathi guys nakulanto engayenzanga impilo la. Xa uphakathi ufuna ukuphuma. Xa uphandle ufuna ungena.
And lami that's the uyakwazi ukuthi I was actually looking at amampikitsha ami ngisasezim ne. Yazi ngizwe ngizisola ukuthi kathi uNkulunkulu ngabe yelani la. Uyakwazi ukuthi if ngabe I was still in Zim guys.
Mina lami ngisezimi ngangimuhle guys, you know.
Hayi lambe ngimuhle ngisezimbabwe.
Mina ngikwanisa ukungena ku live at least wena khaya uyakwanisa.
Ngizothi nathi vele ngimubi nginjalo ngilesibindo okusalayo.
Ungangena manje lingadana. Liyadana.
Mina lami eqiniso naye angifisi ukuthi ngabe emazweni. Uyazi ukuthi ngabe ngadlala ekhaya. Uyakwazi ukuthi mina ngabe I stayed at home. Uyakwazi ukuthi ngabe I'm still married to my husband. Ngabe we have our twins. Anti mina ngakhipha isisu sembiya la. Yabo. Because I had to choose between umsebenzi and you know and lo mkami sahlala phansi sathi njani you know what we'll try umntwana at a later stage. Science decision ke sanjani sa terminate. Ngabuya ke la ngifika mina ngithi ngizosebenzela ubaba ukuthi abuye nangu ubaba engishiya guys esethola intombi yakhe eyisangoma guys wathi kimi imesi yakho na hengilayo somewhere la
mana pause limbonela ugelo nofile ku cruise ship hayibo ofile ku cruise ship uthiwa kwana ubesendela uyatrenda guys I don't know ukuthi wayelingamazi weZimbabwe ofile ku cruise ship uzijikelile phansi emanzini ngenxa yokuthi wayesenda i-depression is real
ngenxa yokuthi wayesenzani
ngenxa yokuthi wayesendela uGayi imali besithi bayakha njani emtshengisa ukuthi bayakha phela ukuthi wathatha ama-title deeds wafaka ebizweni lakhe
ibizo lakhe I think u-Antwam lo lemkhulu ngamadoda imali mbani ibizo lakhe
hayi ngabe uyamazi vele uyatrenda la
Antwam lo mkhubo
kungu Antwakho ngawukwazile phela ukuthi usefile
into bengizoyi-celebrate
khaya it's not deep
u-Antwam lo ngamthengaazoyitry ngambona vele ngangizocelebrate kunguye but guys uyabona ukuthi nami
guys le ndoda efuna i-attention yazi angikwazi ukuthi amanye amadoda anjani so ekuthangani kuthiwa yena ngumfazi I feel like he's the woman in the relationship
guys
ngendlela afuna ngayo i-attention
amadoda welomante madoda welabomante lami ngifuna
ufuna ukuventa ngicela umfollow ke
no asolokhu Dion I think ngufollow ilizolo hayi khaya asondoda lokho you know the way no the way afuna ngayo attention so gaya ngutshele you know he acts like he's the woman in the relationship loba nxa sesilele nxa esekubamba so yabe nganithiwa uyanyenya nganithiwa hayi guys
manje awumthandi
you think so
awumthandi
uqinisile lapho lami ngiyavumelana nawe khaya
awumthandi indoda oyithandayo efana nami ingazi ukuthi ifuna ukungena phakathi kweskin sakho uyayekela
guys ngikhulumeni
khuluma Dion
but nenhloni
inhloni zani Dion sinathile sonke inhloni azikho lapha
ngama ukhangela ukuthi labantu abangayi ku live what is what
balutshwana izoba kade silantu bangu-90 la bantu bangu-90 something balutshwana namhla siyi-half
udinga kula muntu ongaziyo mina but ngithule phela
Dion vele akakwazi
mina ngaze ngangena la ngangale ku-16 kuthiwa yini after 9
Dion uthini
ngithe ngaze ngangena la ku-after 9 ngendaba zothando
we listen we don't judge
noma yini noma
hayi mina kungiqile lokho after 9 kutshona
siphumeni kikho le ndlebe uzwile
bese ufuna uchasisa kodwa bangikhuza
hayi
no
khaya ungenye yami
i-after 9 indoda engazaziyo ukuthi indoda owayesondoda
ukuthi mingaphi
oh shit
yeah mina ngangibekilayo kade njalo
kumandla tha oh shit
Lami bengilive velo njalo guys.
Guys, lokho sikubaba wengane. That's how deep.
Guys, manje ixoxele yimi lo ngisiye eZimbabwe lapha kade ngihambe khona ngoJune. Because
bana wozalazo.
Angithi sokudry sokomile empilweni kaKhayelihle akunanto ephuma kunanto ehambayo. Yimi lo ngisiyavelelana le ex yami eyayingu number 1 ex yami engizothiwa isihlukana lomfazi. Ngamlanda. Ngathi mina I think ukuthi njengoba sihlukana nomfazi wakho it's good we fix things. Wathi no.
Serious?
Wathi yena wathi ngesingisi wathi this ship has sailed. Azangaze ngayengeka like that in my life. Cause asihlala sifleta phela so mina ngithi maybe siyafunana kathi cha bekuyikufleta kuphela.
Yeba.
Ayamadoda kaChiso.
Same page lami.
Ozalazo manje, ozalazo baby.
Manje ozalazo.
Amlokho ngisendabeni kaKhazini.
Mandla
Uzala.
As long as lingasuze limithisana ngoba lizozala iDown syndrome. Ungaqali.
Hayi kanti mina she's only my cousin yezibonga. Abadala
bakho wena mase umntana wakho lo ole autism so ufuna nasikudabukele. Hayi man.
Dion
basuke sikhuluma
Dion yasijwayele.
Into enzisa ubuhlungu lesike sikhuluma landani la eke feel jealous nxa maybe ngikhuluma labanye ochero whatsoever and then namhlanje ngathi senathile mbijana benzondele kade nguzondele emsebenzini ngathi ngizama reach out kuye landani bengani busy so I was like you know what so ngani vele ngiyaforce izinto lapha lana so ngangona sihlukane vele lapho. And she was like, okay, nxa kuyikho ukufunayo. Washa mblock.
La ibe ngasakufunda.
Wena ukukhulumelana into ukwazi ukuthi uyadlala.
Futhi stela yami ukuthi kanti awufa.
Sana buka manje uyagowisha uhleli la ku live uba ulegqila. Hloya ukukhuluma.
Guys mina ngisakwazi.
Dion sikuzwile phela ukuthi usenzani?
Guys kule ndaba isibadala.
Umuntu othika wonke ama-checks wonke.
Wena ubukhulumelana ukuthi vele sihlukane.
Lambe sokumbhuka ukuthi anisakwazi isiminga.
Yabo umvuzo wesona ikufa. Guys ngifuna ukuyageza mina khathesi. Asame siyolala silalena sigeze siyolala.
Asilaleni lambe guys yo.
Siyasebenza sonke kusasa. Sonke nini la siyasebenza kusasa.
Wena ziyakhala.
Hayi
sendesebenani ngesandi.
Ama-bills
guys.
Wavela waskipha nje ukuya emsebenzini uzabona ukuthi you have missed the payment. Yes, so now or else court action. What?
Ama-direct debit athe siza khonapho akula.
Hey wena.
Mina vele I can't skip ukuya emsebenzini for my mental health ngoba ngabe ngilokho ngihlezi lapha ngizobelokho ngicabanga umfana.
If you keep yourself busy kuba ngcono.
Manje kuba ngcono iqiniso ngakubona nami.
Yeah, because ngiyacabanga ukuthi at least if I go to work kusasa ngiyabe ngibusy. Sunday ngiyabe ngibusy, Monday na nguyena osemsebenzini, mina Monday Tuesday off. Then ngizosebenza Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, then weekend you could happen zoba ngi4 off khona ngoba ngimboni.
But Sunday guys anti abalaleleyo anti sibuya lama-V11.
Hayi Sunday sibuya lama-V11. Mina lami Sunday ingubo kaBaby ngiyayiphosa.
Sunday everyone ubuya lama-V11. Lawe manje sifuna ukuthi usitshengise lowo muntu wayekutshengisa ukuthi wena ube lamagathi okuchaya leyo vits.
Guys,
ndozwathi ukuthi oyitha.
Hayi guys abafana phela sofela khona. Kanisa ke buka nango. Actually vele lamadoda azofela bafazi nibuka uMandla nangu uyafokofa la.
And uyafokofa but Mandla mina lawe sesingasebenzi. Yabona Mandla.
wena Mandla lo Dion awufuna uDion.
Mandla ngikho that bad. Uyakwazi ukukhaya ngahlangana
Hayi alright.
mistake ku
Malini
TikTok.
simkhulula uMandla. Mandla ufuna bani?
Mandla khetha lami ngi-available khetha Mandla.
Anyway, you can have both of us. It's not that deep, man.
1 2 3 both of us ungasithatha nje sonke it's fine.
Noma yini, babe.
Wena Mandla vele sewufana le ndoda la kithi.
Khaya wena yaba indlovukazi cause ngithanda usitufuza.
Liyabona labo Ciko
Othethi naso
Asobo Steve Zambani.
abakazi balibona phela lana liyafihla amakhamera.
But ama-account akho private.
Uma bakala sikhathi uvula ama-account ufuna umfazi.
Alright man check 2 seconds.
Alright, check fast ngakhathi live.
Sicela ucheck abafazi bakho fast la. Ukhethe fast ukuthi
nangu Richard
ubatshela ukuthi
Mina isithembu siyayenzela dino why?
How Richard ubekela lama gift wona ngathi nguyindoda Richard.
Baby, guys, as Eden
Richard, we love you very much. Khethe umfuna
Richard bajwayele bangamashona. Nxa ngicela umede ekhaya ngabuya
belindele xa uRichard vele mana ngimede.
Hayi yabona Dion.
Ubuye sithi sanibonana.
Hayi Mandla mana wena nto uthe wona uconfused.
Mana Mandla wona mana stars kumoro Richard.
Wena uconfused.
Kana ndlovukazi
private account.
Richard but utsele.
Richard le private account. Richard.
Arutsele nice. Tayere webomvu. Usama ambassador kuthiwa yikuyini church la ambassador
wena udeda nisebenza into ukuthi awufunza awuzwa
sanibonani alishona kuthiwa sanibonani
yo hi Richard
alishona hello Richard hello daddy
manje Richard isusu athi gona umthawara shona yacho
tinogona
hayi ini ndigona umthawara
shona gona singezane mari Richard
nangu baby nangu la
Dam Richard.
Now, arikupinda.
Hello. I don't.
Khuluma ngesindebele.
Ungatharasela indoda. Speak Richard.
Yeah, I'm saying that isishona angisazi isindebele lesi ngisikhuluma kwesindebele sa angazi ukuthi ngiyokuthi sakwandebele because ngibuya kwaNdebele.
All right.
So usanibona singambeki ukuthi manje
wesishona and all that.
What's your last name Richard?
Well, no, I just came here to just say that to just greet you guys, not to engage further into the
no,
details.
It's fine, I like your tie.
You like my tie?
Yeah, red is my favorite color.
It's a beautiful tie, and it does a lot.
I'm going to go on and
I was doing again, come like out in your chia.
No, but
I like your tie. I can imagine some bopping eye.
I like your tie. I can imagine it.
Yeah, and
red is my favorite color for real.
That can be arranged.
Yes, I'm going to know but has in and Zadewanga Lapat. I like your tie.
So you
guys, if
I good night, guys. I need to write my report.
Guys, good night. Look over Richard. Look.
This is a continue. Richard to inbox. Richard, come to my inbox, baby.
So you guys are ending live just when I just arrived. Like I'm just here for. It's been what? It's been 2 minutes and you're
been here for 3 hours, so it's different.
You know.
Oh my.
Send another gift, Richard. Oh, Richard can send the gift. Why send? Guys, Richard in.
But Richard is
lion.
Richard, send a lion.
Richard, send a lion.
Man,
no, you can't
send it.
They're even instructing me on what to send.
Guys,
send a lion. Richard, send a lion.
I'll send a lion when I come back.
When you come back.
I'm sure obviously this is actually my first time coming onto your live. So I believe that next time when I come through then
Richard, we are here on Sunday. Richard, we are here on Sunday.
We are here on Sunday. Stay what time?
Latest injani. This is Bonda la.
Ungisendele ekhaya okuyithiwa yini okuyi-notification ukuthi uyahamba ku-live ngesanda.
No, ngizoposta vele kube yi-live event. So izobe iphophapile vele uzoyibona.
No, ngingayikhupha phela.
Ora ngizokuthumela
For
i-link.
real.
Ngizokuthumela lonke ke.
So what time on Sunday are you guys gonna be on?
She's gonna let us know.
I don't know, 9 o'clock, 8 o'clock.
Okay.
8, 9, it's fine. I can.
8, 9 is fine. Okay, fine. Let me shower first and then I'll let you guys know.
All right.
Cha, ivele phandle.
So goodbye.
Eh?
So
Ivele
goodbye.
phandle.
Hayi wena ivele ulibona ngapha unganjali kabi. Bye bye.
Bye.